boys and girls, it's me, Miss Denise, and Ollie the Crow. Welcome to Creative Kids Virtual Preschool and Storytime with Miss Denise and Ollie. We are going to have a fun story that we are going to be reading today. I thought we would read a really fun book called We're Going on a Pumpkin Hunt. How many of you guys have picked out your pumpkins yet? Have you? Yeah? Oh, lots of you have. I haven't picked my pumpkin yet, but we've got to do that soon, don't we, Ollie? Yes, we do. Picking out a pumpkin is a lot of fun, isn't it? What about pumpkin pie? How many of you like pumpkin pie? Yeah? Oh, with lots of whipped cream? Yes, that's the best way to eat pumpkin pies, with lots and lots and lots of whipped cream. Okay, well, we're going to get started on our story, but before we do that, we need to sing our hello song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you. Hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Oh, great singing, guys. Okay, I'm going to put Ollie down. Ollie, you be listening though, okay? Okay. So we are reading the super fun book called We're Going on a Pumpkin Hunt by Steve Metzger. We're going on a pumpkin hunt. These are fun books. I have several of these books, and we love reading them here at our preschool. We're going on a pumpkin hunt. We'll find them out on the ground. We're hoping they are bright orange and big and wide and round. So they're looking for pumpkins. We're coming to a hay bale, a huge and prickly hay bale. We can't go through it. What are we gonna do? They can't go through the big hay bale. So what do you think they're gonna do? Oh, you think climb it? Oh, you might be right. You were right. Climb, climb, climb to the other side. No pumpkins here, but we won't stop looking. They're not going to stop looking, are they? No. We're going on a pumpkin hunt. We'll find them on the ground. We're hoping that they're bright orange and big and wide and round. We're coming to a maze, a winding maze of corn. Oh, but we can't go around it. What are we gonna do? They can't go around it, so what do you think they need to do? You think they need to go through it? I don't know, let's see if you're right. March, march, march to the other side. You're right, they had to go through it. No pumpkins here, but we won't stop looking. Nope, there are no pumpkins, but they're still gonna look. We're going on a pumpkin hunt. We'll find them on the ground. We're hoping they're bright orange and big and wide and round. Good job. Oh, we're coming to a barnyard. A loud and muddy barnyard. We can't walk across it. What are we gonna do? They can't walk across it because they'll get all muddy if they do. What do you think they're gonna do? I don't know. Oh, ride, ride, ride to the other side. They rode on the horses. That was some smart thinking, wasn't it? No pumpkins here, but we won't stop looking. We're going on a pumpkin hunt. We'll find them on the ground. We're hoping that they're bright orange and big and wide and round. We're coming to a pond, a wide and sparkly pond. We can't jump over it because it's too wide. What are we gonna do? You think they're gonna swim? Maybe. The water might be a little cold though. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the other side. What did they do? They got on a canoe. They are so smart. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Vines and leaves are growing on the ground. And look, there's something else. It's big, it's round, it's orange, it's what is it? It's a pumpkin. Oh my, there are lots of them. Big ones and small ones and round ones and skinny ones and smooth ones. Bumpy ones. We did it. Look at all those pumpkins. They're not just big and round and orange, are there? There's all different kinds of shapes and colors and sizes. Uh-oh, it's getting dark. Kaboom! What's that noise? It's thunder. Let's go. Paddle the canoe. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Ride the horse. Ride, ride, ride. March through the maze. March, march, march. Climb over the haystack. Climb, climb, climb. Whew, we're home. We went on a pumpkin hunt and we found them on the ground. That thunder really scared us, but now we're safe and sound. Look, they carved out their pumpkins, didn't they? With really happy faces. Wasn't that a fun story? Having to go on a pumpkin hunt and go through all of that? That would be pretty cool, I think. Well, it is time for us to say goodbye, so Ollie, will you sing the goodbye song with me? Yes? Will you guys sing with Ollie and I? You will? Okay. Are you ready? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Oh, hang on. Ollie has something to say. Oh, silly me. I forgot. Kisses. Ollie has to blow his kisses. Are you guys ready to catch them? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Oh, good job, Ollie. Will you blow kisses to Ollie? Okay, he's looking. Oh, there's one, Ollie. Yeah. Oh, there's one. Yeah. Oh, right in the middle. Get that one. Oh, down there. Oh, yeah. One more. Oh, rub them on your cheek. Thank you, guys. You have an awesome week, and we will see you next time with Story Time with Miss Denise and Ollie. Bye-bye.